1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 ingredients is all you need to make these absolutely delicious protein pancakes. This one is super quick. You can easily change up the flavor when you get bored. You probably already have all the ingredients needed on hand. So let's just jump right into it. Take out a bowl and add into it 2 large whole eggs, 1 large egg white, 1 ripe banana, which helps with the texture and sweetness, 2 scoops, your choice flavor, Vibrata Nutrition protein powder. Today, as you can see, I'm using the Lean Body MRP cinnamon bun flavor, which is delicious, and if you want to check it out, you can do so in the description below. Continue with 1/4 teaspoon of xanthan gum and 1 teaspoon of baking powder. Mix those together while mashing in the banana really good until smooth like this. Then take out a stovetop pan, turn your burner on medium heat, and coat it with some non-stick cooking spray. Once it heats up, pour your mix in, cook each side for around 2 minutes. Repeat until all of your mix is gone, making your pancakes however big or small you want them. So there you go, another protein pancake recipe to add to your arsenal. Top it with sugar-free syrup, Greek yogurt, nuts, or anything else you want. Like I mentioned earlier, you can easily change up the flavor just by using a different flavor protein powder. Let me know in the comments below what your favorite pancake toppings are. Personally, I usually keep it simple, as you saw today, with a little syrup and cinnamon most of the time. With that, thank you guys for watching. As always, don't forget to show some love and check out Vibrata Nutrition in the description below. Smack that thumbs up button if you like this recipe, want some more simpler recipes like this one. Subscribe if you haven't already, turn on notifications, and of course, stay healthy. This one is super quick, you can easily, oh my God. This is who just scared the ever-living shit out of me. Say hi. Hi.